So I'm going to show you what we can create with these Dollar Tree candle holders. So let me just show you the card. So if you're looking for it, it's $1.25. So let me show you some of the things we can create with it. So in another video, I showed you how to make this stand with a lid and two of these holders. So this holder connects like this, and then you put a lid to make sure it's sturdy at the bottom. But I'm going to show you a different way to connect it. So let me just take these tags off and show you, instead of connecting it this way, we can connect it with the smaller part in the center so that we have a larger base at the bottom and a holder at the top. So let me make sure the hot glue is hot. Okay. So I'm going to get this ready. I'm going to give it a little more time to heat up. And while I'm giving it more time to heat up, I showed you this in the previous video, the hot sauce bottle and these tea light holders. You could also do this with a recycle reuse project like that and just put the bowl on. So let me show you how we're going to do this. We're going to take this stand and I'm going to put the hot glue here at the top. And I'm going to make sure I get a lot of hot glue on it. Not too much, but enough to make sure it sticks. And then I'm going to take the smaller part of this and line it up so that it looks like it's one piece. So how I'm doing that is just making sure this middle matches on the top and bottom. So now we got a bigger stand. So I'll call this a pedestal because of the height. So with the pedestal, I'm going to take this moss ball and put it right there like that. So now we have a pedestal for the moss ball. For this one that we already have, I'm going to take this other moss ball that's already in a bowl and attach the bowl to the top of this. So let me see if I can get some hot glue on this and make sure it stays. And now I'm just going to attach the entire bowl to the top of this and try to center it if I can. So right there, for $2.50 each, so $5, we have pedestals for our floral moss balls. Thanks for watching.